Hello friends, today we have this mini food processor, USB and rechargeable too, but it's not working, not at all. So let's see what we can do. It's new, but I don't know where this rust came from. We'll try to clean it with WD-40. Cannot make it as new, but we can clean it and looks better. Let's keep it like this and we'll check it later. So now we will concentrate with our main unit. You can see it's not working at all. Here's open it. It has only one screw, so no more screw. There, here. Yes, it has two screws behind this rubber cap. I think we can screw it. You can see that the motor is disconnected from the board. So now we'll check two things. First, is our battery okay? It shows 4.1 volt. That means it's okay. Then the output voltage. Is it or not? It has less than 1 volt and it's not stable. So we have to open this board and check what's the problem. Voltage DC. When I press it, provides 2.2 volt. Why? Yes, the switch is faulty because when I make it short, provides 4.2 volt. But if I press it, cannot provide the voltage. Let's see what we can do. I don't have new replacement switch for this, so I use this donor board and remove this switch from this board. The switch is okay, and now I'm going to replace this switch. I lost my switch. Yes, found it. The switch is identical and it's ready to replace, but the leg of our new switch is longer than original one, so we will cut it out. I think now it is ready to fit. First, we have to disconnect our battery from the board because it's not safe. Need some lead. Now this side, same way, apply some solder. Oh, I thought I ripped the board, but the board is okay. So here is our new replacement. Not new, but replacement switch. Try to make a good solder joint. With some soldering paste. It will make our soldering easier. Give it a good look. And now it's time to clean some thinner and cotton bud. I think it's okay now. Let's see, is it working or not? 4.2. Yes, the switch is working just fine. Now this is the time to connect our motor. And the problem is, forgot the polarity. I have to connect our blade and see which direction it's running. No, it ran wrong way. It have to run this way. So connect our motor wrong polarity. I have to change its polarity. So this one is negative and this one must be positive. Nice. Now it will work. We see some rust in the USB connector, so trying to clean it with WD-40 is good for rust removal. Okay, better than clean. So the board will go here, this position. Then there was a screw in here. To another hole for a screw. So I'll see if I can give two screw in here. That would be very good if I can found two screw for here and here. That will make this board strong and tight. Good, perfect. These screws are perfectly fit in our board. Let's assemble this blender. But it's not running now. Voltage is okay, but motor is not running. A new challenge is okay. Now it will work fine. Okay, let's apply some WD-40 in our motor. Now it will work better than previous. This contact was misplaced, so the motor was not running. Now it's okay. I think everything will work perfect. Oh. Screw it now. Put this cap again. So our mini food processor is ready to work again. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Please like, share this video and subscribe my channel. It helps.